Every Kenyan student expects a good job immediately after graduating. In order for this expectation to become a reality, one needs to pursue something which is marketable in the country and also which offers room for self-employment and career growth. In this video, I'll be listing for you the best degree courses to pursue in Kenya. At number 1, we have Bachelor of Medicine. Medicine has been and still remains the most marketable course to pursue in Kenya and also around the globe. Although it takes a longer period for one to complete the program, it pays off well, and graduates of this course usually secure employment immediately after graduation. Another marketable degree program is Bachelor of Software Engineering. Software engineering is one of the most popular degrees for people who want to become developers. A degree in software engineering makes one very marketable, especially with the growth of technology and digitalization. The course is more technical in approach, and as it involves learning different programming languages such as Java, Python, and many others. A software engineering degree assures one a smooth career path even in the future. Bachelor of Architecture is another marketable degree program in Kenya. The number of architects in Kenya is quite low, especially with the boom of construction industry in Kenya. It is very hard to find an architecture jobless since most of them prefer self-employment, thus creating room for fresh graduates to enter the job market. Bachelor of GIS and Remote Sensing. GIS deals with spatial analysis and mapping. It's a rare course which has very few individuals since most people are unfamiliar with it. It's so marketable that most graduates are offered employment after graduation, even without applying for one. Bachelor of Quantity Survey. If you want to pursue a course that will make you rich quickly, then this is the right course for you. The course entails the estimation and control cost of construction project. With a degree in Quantity Survey, you are assured a bright career path. With a degree in any of these courses, one is assured a good career path after graduation. If you know other marketable degree programs, kindly tell me in the comment section.